जो देख चुके फिर अंधेर ना हो मालिक।
Let's make this beautiful morning more beautiful with thoughts, poem and news headlines. From class first, Srishti Mehra. Today I am presenting you a poem, All of Me. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my legs, see my knees. Now you have seen all of me. What is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I repeat my thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you. Have a good day. Today's thought is life gives us new lessons each day, not for learning but improve your understanding. Today's news headlines are: first, 54 dead in Manipur violence. Second, continuous land shower on PM Modi during electrifying road show in Bengaluru. Third, government to publish dictionaries of regional languages with the scientific technical terms. Today's news headlines are: the first one is Wagner Group chief says Russia promised more ammo after threat may stay in Bakhmut. The second one is Warren Buffett reckons AI-2 atom bombs, says can't invent it now.
तिम्रो मायामा नाच्न थाले म
Worthy sir, respected vice principal ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear children. It's my proud and privilege to be the part of this institution. I am really feeling lucky to be here with you. Today's performance of yours is really heart-touching, and the dance, Assam Nepali dance performed by the children is really marvelous, extremely good. I have no words to express my views. Now, as you are aware that in the today's world, the education is deteriorating, but with the guidance of our seniors and with the constant efforts of ours, we will try to raise the standard of the education of this institution. We will learn the latest technologies. We will make ourselves updated. And we have to focus on 3 A's for the children. Just remember, 3 A's. 3 A's for the children. If they are well versed with the 3 A's, then there will no any obstacle which can stop them in growing or moving further in the life ahead. 3 A's are able to do, able to learn, and able to engage. These 3 A's are very, very vital part of the education. I wish you a very happy days ahead, and we will try our level best to impart the better education of this city and to be considered as the better institution of this city. And although our institution is a reputed one, and further we will add one feather to the cap of this institution. Thank you very much.